what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Nikki. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, and also hit the notification bell beside it so you never miss an upload from me. And also give this video a nice big thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what types of videos you guys want to see next. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have been doing so great. I've uploaded a video every day this week. So after you leave this video, make sure you go check out all the other videos that I have uploaded this week. I've uploaded a makeup tutorial as well as a weight loss journey vlog. So make sure you go check out those videos after you finish watching this one, of course, and go give those videos a thumbs up as well. Now for today's video, I am going to be doing a makeup look on this beautiful purple halo eye. I think it turned out absolutely amazing, much more amazing than I thought it would be. But I was like, you know what, well, I want to film a makeup tutorial today. What can I film it on? And I was like, okay, well, let's do something with a little bit of color, something really beautiful, you know, something just really bold, and something that I just would find just so amazing. I was like, okay, well, my favorite color is purple. I love purple, so let's just do something with purple. And you know, I came up with this beautiful purple, you know, kind of halo eye. I used the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette to create this look. All of the shadows came from this look. I did not veer away from the palette to create this look. So I absolutely love how it came out, and it turned out absolutely beautiful. So enough of the chit chat. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into this video. And as always, if you want to see how I got this look, and of course, just continue to watch. Alright you guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to go ahead and prime my skin. And I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime in the 050. This is the Hydrate and Smooth Primer Base. And I'm using this primer because I really want, my skin has been really dry lately, so I want my skin to stay nice and hydrated today. I don't really want it to, like, you know, normally I use like a silicone based primer or the e.l.f. Flawless Face Primer. It's just kind of like a mattifying primer, but today I need the hydration, I need the moisture. My skin's been super dry, so I need it. Alright, so now that we have our skin all primed, I'm going to do some color correcting. And I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in a green corrector. And I'm also going to take this Maxi Professionals BB Cream in the shade 03. I'm going to color correct. I'm using a green one because I have a little redness. I don't know if the camera's really kind of picking it up, but I do have some redness, mostly where those breakouts are like irritating my skin. So I'm just gonna, not a lot, but I have a couple of breakouts, and my skin has just like really been irritated by them, so I'm just trying to go in and correct them. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my foundation. This is an oldie but goodie product. I haven't used it in so long, and I'm excited to bust it back out today. This is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC47. And I used to be NC45, and I still have NC45. I might actually mix the two because I'm not as tan as I normally get yet. I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna take my NC45 as well. I'm just gonna mix that in there with the NC47 if I can get any out, because I'm pretty much out of this. So I'm just gonna use NC47 today. And I'll put it on the back of my hand. And y'all, when I tell y'all, MAC Studio Fix Fluid used to be my jam. It still is my jam. But, you know, I just don't use it as much anymore because I've grown to love other foundations as well. And foundation, oh my god, I just love the way it smells. Like MAC has that unique smell with this foundation, and I just love the smell. I don't know, call me weird, hey, I don't care. But yeah, this used to be my jam. This was like, oh, my OG. Like, I'm not using no other product but my MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. Like, I used to love this so much. But now, you know, I've really grown to love, like, you know, other products. And sometimes, you know, you just gotta give other products a chance, because if I did a MAC tutorial on my channel every single day, I'm pretty sure y'all would get tired of it. Like, you may like the looks, you may like the coverage of the foundation, all that jazz, but eventually I'll be like, okay, Nikki, come on, can you do something a little bit different? We're gonna keep this same energy up. We're gonna take this MAC Prolonged Wear Concealer in the shade NC42, and I'm gonna use this to highlight under my eyes. This all nice and blended out. And like I said, this concealer is really easy to work with, and you may think, like, because of the consistency of it, that it's like not a good coverage, but this concealer is a pretty good coverage. You know, it's not like your like the L16 Hour Camo Concealer where it's super thick and it gives you like super duper coverage. But this concealer definitely gets the job done. And MAC is, like, you know, one of the most successful makeup companies, and you know, it's been around for a long time. Like, MAC has really been doing its thing for a long time. So sorry y'all, I'm just readjusting. Can y'all see me? Let me slide up a little more. I hope y'all can see me. But yeah, so MAC has some awesome products, and I really love MAC. Like I said, it was the first high-end brand I ever used. But yeah, I don't want to get off topic, but you may not think so. Like, and I always bring some concealer up on my eyelid. This kind of helps just prime my eyes for my shadows. But if you don't think so, you know, by the consistency, you see how, you know, it's covering up. You know, it definitely has some immense coverage. You can also let it dry down. Jackie Aina likes to do that a lot. She lets her concealers dry down. If you have like a concealer that's like more like of a consistency like this, like I would say the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and the the Urban Decay, concealer called, is it Naked Skin? Yeah, the Urban Decay Naked Skin concealer. It's kind of reminded me, like, it reminds me of that one. And you can let those like really just dry down, and it kind of like dries down, and it not really thickens up, but it's still easy to blend. But you know, it kind of just settles, and then still easy to move, but it kind of, you know, sticks and helps become more full coverage. Alright, now moving on to the eyes. I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette, and today we're going to be going for a nice purple halo eye. These shadows are just so beautiful, y'all. They're so freaking beautiful. So we're going to go ahead and get started. As you know, my favorite color is purple. If you didn't know that, you don't watch my channel enough, and that means you need to subscribe like right now. Subscribe right now. Alright, so I'm gonna go in, and the first color that I'm going to take is this nice, pretty, super duper pinky, mauve pink color right here, and I'm gonna apply that into my crease. top shade here. This is more of like a mauve purple color, and I'm going to apply that like just underneath where I applied the pink one. Take this dark purple here, and I'm gonna put this on the outer and inner part of my eye. So I'm gonna put this right onto the outer part here, like so. This isn't my first time using this palette though, so this is not like a review. But I just thought that this palette would be so pretty to create this eyeshadow look with. Same thing for this eye. Just kind of patting this product in, just bringing it in like so. Oh my goodness. This is so gorgeous, y'all. I'm gonna go back in and I'm going to blend the shadows together, and I'm actually gonna take this pretty shimmery purple here, so pretty, and I'm gonna use this to really just blend everything together. I'm gonna take this beautiful, like it's like a bluish purple, it's like an iridescent color, it's so pretty. I'm gonna pop this right into the center. We're gonna go back in with that darker purple shade, and I'm going to just kind of deepen up the inner and outer corner where I may have lost some of that color, and just kind of blend it in even more to that beautiful shadow that we apply on our inner lid. So. I'm going to take this darker purple and I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. That mauve pink that we applied in the crease, I'm going to take that and I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. And I'm going to use the Maxi Fix Fluid and NC50 to kind of push some color back into my skin. Alright you guys, so I've knocked away that powder, brought life into my face. I've done my brows and also contour. I used, of course, my black Radiance True complexion contour in medium to dark. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna add some blush to my cheeks, and I'm taking this Milani Romantic Rose powder blush in 901, and I'm gonna use it, just kind of stamp it on my cheeks and just kind of blend it into my contour right on the apples of my cheeks and blend it out. And I love this blush because like you can pretty much build it up as much as you want. You can use as much of this blush as you want, and it's never gonna be like overpowering, and it just looks so flattering to me on any skin tone. And it's that nice, just fleshy tone look that you would want. This is like a really everyday blush, and that's why I love it so much. And I just go crazy and I start putting it everywhere because I just love it so much. Now for a highlight, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild loose highlighter, and this is in the shade Hustle and Glow. But first I'm going to spray my face, and I'm going to use this incredible spray This is the Good Day Jelly Spray. And I'm going to spray this all over my face. If I can get this spray today. Whoa. That was intense. I have to hold it back like this because sometimes it shoots out a little bit further than what I'm expecting, and it just like, oh my gosh, like what in the world. So while my face is still, you know, a little bit damp, I'm gonna go in with my highlighter. Apply that on top of that purple. I just want to see what that will do. Ooh. I think I did something there. I'm just going to apply that right with my fingers on top. I'm going to take that same pink and I'm going to apply that right into the inner corner. Just to open up that eye. Give it a nice pop of color. That pink really just made everything just pop. Alright, so while lashes are drying, I'm using LA Colors Drama Lash in Dreamy 984. I'm going to go ahead and apply, somebody was calling me. While the lashes are drying, I'm going to apply my lip color. I'm going to use this Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Vanity. Since we have so much going on the eye, we don't want to look too crazy. We want everything to back. Alright, so I'm going to apply my lashes off camera and then I'll be right back for the finished look. Alrighty, you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this look as well as this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.